Here at SharkGaming, we fully understand and embrace our responsibility towards gamers. And as such, we've taken actions to make our products match the current times. We are no longer using the term motherboard, which we find discriminating, and will instead use the much more inclusive parent board. We've renamed audio jack to audio jack and chill, and to avoid slut shaming, we will be using the term memory place in the future. As of today, our water cooling systems will have free-range, lactose-free organic almond milk. Finally, to avoid unhealthy idolization, we will no longer use the term fan, but instead call them tiny wind machines. SharkGaming, the gaming brand that respects all life, whether you're a fish, human, or anything in between.